Disassembling a Taurus TX22 is really easy, but first, let's make sure the gun is unloaded. We wreck the slide a few times to eject any casing that might be in the chamber. We inspect the chamber to ensure it's empty. We can also physically feel for a casing with our finger. Pull down on the takedown lever with your offhand. Pull the trigger and remove the slide. Take this time to inspect the frame components. Now remove the recoil spring and barrel. Just like that, your TX22 is disassembled. Like and subscribe to our channel for more practical content.